Good evening, friends. Um, Time for a little video in the evening. Something, I said all day today on CNBC that, people should not worry about this negative news on banks and should try to buy on declines on the Nifty, which is the stronger index. And even in the closing bell, I said buy into 11,200. See, important bit is that bad news never turns bull markets down. Bull markets end when there is good news all around. So always try to buy when there is all sorts of gloom and doom, and chances are the global markets will resume their upside. Nifty in India will resume its upside. Bank Nifty will underperform, but not really in any sort of meaningful manner in terms of going down. What you have is Bank Nifty basically in a 21,000, 24,000 type of range. But there are enough stronger items on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty which should take the Nifty higher. Bank Nifty will perform, but in a very short covering type of sense. When it exhausts on the downside, it will move higher. So, without taking a lot of time, I would like to caution people. I've seen lots of posts on, an impending correction, etc. I think, the market will find ways of turning at 11,050, 11,070. So be very careful of becoming too negative, because these sort of news flows often create shorts which propel the next rally. So my belief is that finally, this news will get absorbed and the market will move on. Bull markets will not end on bad news. So this is the little message I want to give, late in the evening, and we'll probably have a trade plan tomorrow morning. But just to caution people that banks are not closing down, and yes, they are in trouble, etc. But I think the financial system will come out of these blues. Do not try to buy into banks or financials, but I don't think they will be able to stop the Nifty rally in any way, shape, or manner. That should be it for right now. Just wanted to give a reassuring message, because people who go short on such events will most likely repent within days of such events. That is the whole nature of trends. They tend to push on, you know for much longer than what people expect. As we speak, S&P 500 has moved higher by about 20 points. Dow is about 150 points higher. So if global markets are rallying up, no amount of local news will keep you sustainably down. So take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.